going to continue on with the different types of reactions. We're going to predict substitution reactions. Now let's focus on substitution reactions. Substitution reactions do, as their name says, a substitution. In this case, we're going to be putting in a halogen to replace a hydrogen. Recall that there are two classes of compounds that do substitution reactions. They are alkanes and aromatic compounds. We're going to be looking at benzene. To predict the products for these reactions, all you're going to do is remove one hydrogen and put in that halogen right where that hydrogen was. In this case, we're using chlorine. I could have used fluorine, bromine, or iodine in the same way. So we're just going to take one hydrogen out, put in one halogen, and then we'll be left over with a hydrogen, and then whichever halide goes with that. The same thing will happen with the benzene. Just notice that the benzene, we have to draw those hydrogens in because the way it's drawn right now, you don't see them. You're going to take one of those hydrogens out and replace it with a halogen. And that is how you predict the products for the substitution reactions. In our class, we're not going to decide where those substitutions will occur. You can take any hydrogen and get the same answer. So in this class, you will not be asked to predict the products for substitution.